In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews in Payhip. Reviews can be incredibly beneficial to your online store by boosting your credibility and fostering trust among potential customers. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily set up customer feedback for your products. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your online presence. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main control center for all your Payhip activities, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface, which will offer a variety of options related to your online store. From the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the products page. This is where all your products are listed, and from here, you can manage each listing individually. It's important to familiarize yourself with this page because you'll often come back here to update and tweak your product details. Once on the products page, keep an eye out for the Reviews button. It's usually located near the respective product listings and serves as the gateway to managing customer reviews. Go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can handle various aspects of customer feedback. Now, on this new screen, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings link. This will take you to the configuration area where you can adjust how reviews are managed on your store. The Settings page is crucial as it allows you to tailor the review process to suit your business needs. With the Settings page open, you'll see an option labeled Enable Customer Reviews. There will be a checkbox next to it, which by default might not be checked. Simply click on this box to enable reviews. This step activates the review feature, allowing your customers to leave their feedback on any product they purchase. It's a straightforward toggle, but it makes a significant difference in how your store can interact with visitors. And just like that, customer reviews are now enabled on your Payhip store. Once you've followed these steps, make sure to save any changes if the platform requires it. Now you can encourage your customers to leave reviews by sending follow-up emails or prompting them post-purchase. Remember, reviews are a powerful tool not only for attracting new customers, but also for understanding what your audience values in your products. Incorporating customer reviews can help increase transparency and improve customer relationships. So feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you wish to modify how reviews are collected or displayed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your Payhip store more engaging and user-friendly.